Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking liver jollof rice. Yes, you just have to be creative in your cooking. Yeah, liver jollof rice. Yes, and the first thing I'm doing, I'm putting a pepper inside the oven. Yes, to bake for some minutes before we blend it together. Please kindly comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comment, your likes keep me going. Now our pepper is ready, so we are going to blend it together. Yes, we are going to blend it together. Please, as you are watching this, please remember to subscribe on my page, remember to like, remember to share. Now the next thing is for us to add our vegetable oil inside the pot, and we slice a bit of onions. Yes, and these are tomato paste. Yes, tomato paste. And I'm going to add bay leaf. Yes, bay leaf. We stir it together before adding our pepper mixture. Yes, let's add it together. We allow it to cook for some minutes. Before that, we're going to add a Maggi, our thyme, our what do they call it? Thyme. Yes. Curry, nutmeg. Yes, curry and nutmeg. So we allow it to cook for some minutes. Yes. Wow, this is coming so nice and smells so good. And I'm very sure it tastes delicious. Yes. Now the next thing is the rice. Wow, this is so nice. So I'm stirring them all together. So our stock meat is the next. Yes, our stock meat. And we stir it together and put salt, a bit of salt, not too much. So let's have our liver. Yes, that what makes the liver jollof rice. Yes, let's have our water, a bit of water, and cover it to cook. Please, guys, once again, comment on my page. And before that, I'm going to put all the description of the